Right, now we're doing example 9, applying a percentage increase to calculate the markup amount. The markup is how much extra has been put on it from what the business actually paid. So an electronic bike costs the business $3,700 and is marked up by 8.25%. Calculate firstly the markup amount and the marked price of the electric bike. So to work up the markup amount, we need to find 8.25% of $3,700, which would be 8.25 over 100, we write as a fraction, multiply for of 3700. You would then put this in your calculator and you will find that you get $305.25. Now we can only ever have two decimal places because it's money, so if there's more than two you would have to round. So this tells us how much it's been marked up. Now what we have to do is work out what it will actually cost you to buy the bike. So part B, the marked price equals the original price plus the amount we're marking it up, $305.25, and if we add those together we find that we will be paying $4,005.25 for the bike.